issue. One of the most significant contributors to today's most serious environmental problem is livestock. Globally, the UN estimates it makes up more than 14% of all man-made greenhouse gases, including methane. Beef produces the most greenhouse gas emissions, which include methane, at one stage. Beef production is the leading cause of deforestation in tropical rainforests, which adds to the environmental impact of beef from that part of the world. Jadi sini menjelaskan efek rumah kaca yang disebabkan oleh peternakan. Karena menurut riset ada 14% dari pencemaran rumah kaca yang disebabkan oleh peternakan karena penggundulan lahan-lahan pepohonan atau hutan untuk dijadikan lahan peternakan.
Meat is an essential source of nutrients and calories for a large part of the human population. So meat plays an important role for humans because humans need energy to carry out activities.
This is the argument for. However, since the Earth is suffering due to the greenhouse effect, people should be aware that they need to start to reduce meat consumption since it helps to maintain the Earth's lifespan.
Number 4. Cow manure management. Implement more efficient manure management systems such as biodigester, which can capture methane and convert it into energy instead of releasing it into the atmosphere. Jadi nomor 4, ini tuh suatu cara untuk mengelola kotoran sapi dengan teknologi seperti biodigester untuk menangkap dan memanfaatkan metana. Number 5, technology innovation. Develop and adopt new technologies in livestock that can incorporate and reduce greenhouse gas emission from livestock. Ini tuh cara menggunakan teknologi baru untuk mengurangi dampak lingkungan dari peternakan. Last but not least, meat alternative promotion. Introduce and promote plant-based alternative meat or laboratory grown meat as a more environmental friendly option. Jadi yang terakhir, ini tuh mempromosikan alternatif daging nabati atau daging buatan untuk pilihan yang lebih ramah lingkungan.
Okay, for activity 3, there's answer the questions based on the text. Do we need to stop eating meat? Number 1, what is the communicative purpose of the text? And the answer is A, to explain the issue and the effect of carbon footprints to the environment. And for number 2, the statement which supports the writer's position is, the answer is D, human body needs a source of protein, vitamin B, fat, iron, zinc, and many more essential nutrients to survive from it. And for number 3, could the following statements represent why we need to stop eating meat? Tick yes or no for each statement. The first statement, according to the UN, livestock's emissions are up to 34 times more damaging to the environment over 100 years than CO2. It's yes. And for the second statement, the most greenhouse gas emissions, which include methane and produced by beef, is a yes. Number 3, the waste produced during raising and slaughtering livestock and the high cost of grain-based meat production adds to the environment impact. It's a yes. Better farming. Number 4, better farming practice, avoiding antibiotics or hormones, and feeding animals with natural diets are the alternatives which can be done to protect the environment. It's a yes. And the last statement, it is far more efficient to feed the growing world population by using land to produce crops that people can consume directly, so that parts of the world with diets high in meat and dairy shift towards more plant-based food? It's also yes. And for number 4, globally, the UN estimates it makes up more than 14% of all man-made greenhouse gases, including methane, in paragraph 2. The word "if" in the sentence refers to, the answer is the livestock. So the word "it" in the sentence refers to livestock. And for number 5, according to the text, why do bodybuilders need to eat meat? And the answer is B, to provide muscles with energy, supporting muscle gains. And number 6, thinking about the arguments present by the writer, which argument do you agree with most strongly? In your own words, explain your choice by stating your own personal opinion. You can also refer to the arguments present by the writer. And for my own words, however, since the earth is suffering due to the greenhouse effect, people should be aware that they need to start to reduce meat consumption, since it helps to maintain the earth's lifespan. And for this reason, I am sure that people should start to think and act for the better. For number 7, there are arguments that we have to answer with matter of fact or matter of opinion. And the first argument is already answered, an opinion. Number 2, so you have to fill your body with the right nutrients to achieve sufficient muscle repair and recovery to make gains. It's a fact. And argument number 3, fortunately, there are alternatives, such as you can support small farms that raise animals compassionately, follow better farming practices, avoid antibiotics or hormones, and feed animals natural diets. It's a fact. And number 4, but livestock's emissions also include methane, which is up to 34 times more damaging to the environment over 100 years than CO2, according to the UN. It's an opinion. And number 5, all B vitamins are found in greater concentration in meats than in plant sources, and vitamin B can only be found in animal sources. It's a fact. And the last argument, for this reason, it is assumed that to feed the growing world population, it's far more efficient to use land to produce crops that people can consume directly, and to have a fair global approach ensuring that parts of the world with diets high in meat and dairy shift towards more plant-based food. The answer is an opinion. And for number 8, the main idea of paragraph 2 is A. The answer is A. Livestock is one of the most significant contributors to today's most serious environmental problems. And last number, what we can conclude from paragraph 5? The answer is C. It is suggested that people should follow better farming practices, avoid antibiotics or hormones, and feed animals natural diets to protect the environment. So that's it for activity 3. Thank you.